What's going on, guys? And in this video I'm going to be teaching you powers and exponents. Now this is another math lesson that I've taken back in grade 7, and this is the second lesson that I've learned at that time. Now it's crazy looking back at those lessons, like, I should have studied at that time, but it was the first year and all this, and like I said, I had no idea how studying works. All I had idea of is having fun and enjoying my time. That's all I cared about. But nowadays, I don't just care about that, but I care about studying and doing my best so I can get good grades, just so you know. Anyways, so without any further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so here, 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. So you have 4 sevens. Now what do you do here? So you make an exponent of 7 power 4. Why? Why 7 power 4? That's because you have the 4 sevens. To make it easier, to make it shorter, you combined all of them and you make it like this. 7 power 4. Or if you want to get the final answer, it's a good thing we have this handy dandy Casio calculator. 7 times 7 times 7. Just like that. And of course the final answer, let me focus it for you, would be 2,401. That would be the answer here. So this is what it is, guys. Now 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. 7 nines, guys. This is crazy. If you don't want to say the whole thing, of course, that's okay. You could just count them silently. So you got the 7 nines. All you have to do, you make it 9 powered 7. Like this. So you combine all of them and you make it 9 power 7. And of course, to get the final answer, hopefully I know what I'm doing. Big number, guys. 4,782,969. I don't know if I should write all this, but I'm just giving you an example here. So you get the idea. So 6 times 6. With the 2 6's, you make it 6 power 2. Just like this. 2 numbers, and you combine them, that'd be 6 power 2. By the way, guys, it's easy. 6 times 6 would equal 36. That is the easiest question in this lesson. 6 times 6, and to combine them, you make it 6 power 2. Now, 8 times 8 times 8. With the 3 8's, you make it 8 power 3. Just like that. So it'd be 8 power 3. And like I said, if you want to multiply all of them, this is what you have to do. 8 times 8 times 8, it equals 512. So this is the idea here. And 2 power 5. Now, I'll explain to you and I'll show you how it works. Basically, what you do here, multiply the 5 2's, you spread it out. Now, multiply by 2's is pretty easy. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 would be 32. Now let me try here, see if I'm right. And I'm correct, guys. So it equals Now this is an easy lesson, guys, by the way. Now I'm going to explain you how it works. Now if you have all those numbers spread out like this, so for example you have 2 numbers or 3 numbers or 5 numbers or 8 numbers like this, you combine them together and make it the power numbers. So for example you have 2 power 5, you can spread it out by 5 2's and then multiply it. And if you have all this, like for example you have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, 4 5's, you can combine them together, so it'd be 5 power 4, for example. Or you see here 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, 4 7's. All you have to do, you combine them together. And you can also, if you want to get the final answer, you can use your calculator. Either way, both of this works. So that is the lesson for here, and that is the lesson for you guys. This is what I explained to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that was a really cool lesson that I've taken in grade 7. That was another one of the easiest lessons that I've taken. So there you go, guys. As you can see, I got a haircut here. It's a proper fade haircut. Definitely looking good here, guys. Definitely looking good on video when I'm talking to you guys. But yeah, you know, looking back at those lessons, I didn't think it was that hard, you know. All the issue was, you know, I was just messing around and not doing what I'm supposed to do. Wasn't really studying. But nowadays I study and know what to do, you know. These days I know how studying works. So there you go, guys. That is another one of the easiest math lessons that I've taken in grade 7. So there you go. Alrighty, so if you like this video, please leave a like. That'd be really great if you leave a like. And I'll try to make more math videos in the near future, so stay tuned for those. Alrighty, guys, so I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.